Good morning everyone. Right now we're at New Delhi railway station. We were trying to get our train ticket to Agra to see Taj Mahal in 2 days, but I brought the passport that didn't have my visa stamped in it. I have 2 passports, so we weren't able to do it, so I have to come back later. Today we're going to be heading to Old Delhi. We're going to be heading to a place called the Red Fort and also a really popular market there. So right now we're just going to be booking an Uber to get there. We were trying to get the tuk-tuks, but they're like charging 2 to 3 times even more than Uber, which has AC and stuff, so it's crazy, and none of them will lower the prices. So yeah, we just resorted to getting an Uber instead. We wanted to get a tuk-tuk, but yeah, we're gonna have to go for the Uber, so we're gonna head there now. Alright, so we've arrived at the Red Fort. The taxi here from Paharganj cost us 118 rupees, so pretty cheap. So you can see this is the huge fort here. And even behind there seems to be another building there. I'm not even sure what that is though. So we ended up having to go on a little adventure. The main entrance, you can't buy tickets there. So you had to walk all the way down this road to get the tickets back there. And it costs 600 rupees per person for a foreigner anyway, but that's just for the monument. I think if you wanted the monument and museum, it would be 950 rupees per person, but we're just going to be seeing the monument today. However, since we had to walk, we were able to walk around this huge cool wall though, so we just got to walk another 5 minutes back down there to the main entrance. Okay, so we've now entered. The entrance was kind of like a market selling Indian clothes and jewelry, stuff like that. So I didn't expect there to be a market in the entrance here. And it's called the Red Fort because you probably saw the big red sandstone walls. That is the wall protecting the outside. And this was built in 1639, I think. So it's really old, by the Mughal emperor. I think he's called Shah Jahan. Something like that. I just read it now, so yeah, it's pretty cool. I didn't know there'd be all this like garden area here as well, and there's loads of different buildings. So you can see we got this one here, looks pretty epic, and we're just going to be walking down there because we can see another cool looking building back there. I didn't realize it would be so busy though. Yeah, it's very busy on a Friday. A lot of locals visiting. Yeah, I think the majority are locals, right? Not tourists.
It's very cheap for them.
Yeah, way cheaper, right? So we've come to that building that we could see on the other side of the courtyard. You can see like amazing archways all over the place. So all the way down here you just have these cool arches. Same like red-orange color. Looks awesome. So I read that every year on the Indian Independence Day, the Prime Minister comes here and he hoists the Indian flag. So that's happening every year, I think, for over 60 years now. So I'm not sure what date that is, I'll write it down. But yeah, it must be packed here on that day. So this place is definitely bigger than I expected. So even now we're walking further around and just more and more buildings appearing everywhere. Looks pretty beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the reasons I wanted to come to India as well, because I knew there'd be all these like awesome buildings like this, forts, palaces, things like that. Can we walk down that way?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So.
Miracle, quiet place.
Yeah.
So here we have another one, Taj Mahal, which I believe is this cool building. So here it says, this was the emperor's private palace. Animal fights such as between lions and elephants were organized below this palace for the entertainment of royals. So you can see here inside the palace all the intricate designs. Really does look beautiful. Coming back to Paharganj, and we're pretty much eating in the same place that we ate yesterday, a different restaurant, the same area. So the one that we ate yesterday was over there, Bistro 55. We were sat down there, and yeah, you can see there's other restaurants here behind. It's still the same chaos as yesterday, just a different angle. And the place that we've come to is Krishna Cafe. So we're gonna get the same food again, palak paneer. It's 10 cheaper here, 170. And then you have the garlic naan, 80. And plain rice, 80. So today I decided to get this mango lassi here, which I think is mango with yogurt. Nice little spot here though, check this out. Hello. Hello. How much? How much? How much?
1 piece.
5 rupees for one.
10 rupees ka
One. So how much all that?
12 piece. 12.
12. Oh,
60 rupees. 60 rupees. 12 piece, 60 rupees.
12 piece, 60 rupees. So I'm gonna close the video out now. We were planning on doing some different things today. We was gonna go to some other famous market near the Red Fort, but unfortunately some bad things happened with Carol. She had like a bad experience with some of the men here. I'm not gonna go into too much details now. I'm gonna make another video straight after this one. I'll post it because yeah, it was bad, so I'll probably have to make a separate video just for that, just to warn others, well, especially women, because it's only gonna affect them. So yeah, after some of those things happened, we didn't really want to do anything more. We were both a bit like sad and down about it, so yeah, that's why we ended up just coming back here and eating and doing similar things to yesterday. So yeah, I'll tell you about that in the next video. So yeah, I'll wrap this one up. So just thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.